Saturday night special for sure. That was fair warning, and the only warning you got. This might be a little upgrade. New for 69 air grabber hood. That Coyote Duster. Clean. That's 207. And Z5 tech on there. Steve Atwell car. Cool. Nice piece. All right, here we go. Bill Stroup edition. Ford Bronco. Here we go. Z28 Shelby Hertz in blue. I'm going to come back to this at the end. This is my favorite car here this weekend. Shades of 1965 indeed. Z16 Chevelle. And these were promotional vehicles done. They built about 200 in 1965 to promote the 1966 release of the SS 396 option. So if you saw one, you were pretty lucky back in 65. They became collector cars pretty early on. Very cool piece. A couple Mustangs, Firebird. Ram Air package. 69 Trans Ams. That was a 400. 335 HP car. Oh, it's not. GT350. 219. So these cars will be late in the day on Saturday. That bandit edition rework. '66 GTO. Automatic with console. Another Z28 houndstooth interior, orange and white. Very nicely done. ZL2 hood, cowl induction. And a handful of Corvettes. So I think I probably need a little more coffee this morning. So we're going to walk down here, and this charger will be the thing I put in my next video. But we'll get down here too. We have a beautiful collection here with super high quality cars. Now this thing's cool.